Put this Dollar Tree secret in your toilet at night and watch what happens. We're going to need a few supplies first if you don't already have them on hand. So walk to your local Dollar Tree or run. And of course, I have a few extra bonus tips up my sleeve here for you. We're going to need some of this vinegar. I love the Dollar Tree cleaning vinegar. Grab yourself some dish soap. I often like Dawn dish soap, but the Dollar Tree version will work just as well. Ooh, what's this? Poo spray. Grab some of this. Do not waste your money on the very expensive poopery that you may have seen, although the packaging is super cute. The Dollar Tree option works just as well. Just spray a few sprays in your toilet and mask any smell. Keep a little bottle in your purse in case you are on a hot day. Now let's grab essential oils. You'll see what we're going to use this for here in just a second. Love me a good Dollar Tree spray bottle and bleach. You're going to thank me for this one in just a second. Once you've gathered all your items, let's have some fun, shall we? Sometimes a slow toilet can be a result of your holes getting clogged right here. Also, if you notice, a lot of urine can get trapped up here in places that your brush cannot reach. If you can't read this, don't worry. I'm going to help you out. Spray with a little cleaning vinegar, bleach, or your favorite household product. This is great for getting under those hard to reach places. Also, my toilet seat is very challenging to get off because those screws are in there tight. So this comes in handy from time to time. Let this sit in your toilet overnight. If you have a clog in your toilet, try this strategy. It has excellent grease-fighting action, and this Dollar Tree lavender scent is amazing. Have a whiff. Now, what if you left this on your toilet for a little while thinking it would work better? This will stain. How do I know? Because I experienced it and nothing would get it out, except for one thing. Can you see what I mean? The staining around here, all up on the sides, or basically any stain. I'm gonna show you a really cool trick to get it out of your toilet. You're also going to let this sit overnight depending upon how bad your toilet rings are or your staining. I want to warn you about putting anything inside of your toilet tank here. As you can see, use of in-tank cleaning products voids your warranty. I've dumped a lot of things in my toilet tank on this channel. I like to experiment and try new things, and over the years, I would say over 4 years, I've never had any issues with my toilet tank. However, I do recommend that you follow the recommendation and use at your own risk. As you can see here, the toilet is looking pretty amazing. I still have a ring back there, so apply this method as many times as you need to and let it sit for longer to get all those rings and stains out of your toilet. I went ahead and did this a second time and let it sit for a couple hours, so let's see if this is any better. Let's go ahead and turn the water back on. I have to say that is looking so much better. This is also a basement bathroom, so the water sits more frequently because people don't use it that often, hence it's more likely to get that ring. But look at that, it is so good. Keep applying as needed. The longer the bleach sits on there, the easier it will be for that mineral deposit to start making its way off, and then of course a good toilet brush. All right, click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.